Repair Clinic makes fixing things easy, with millions of replacement parts available on our website and the help you need to do the repair yourself. Since we encourage you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the spark switch wire harness in your range, unplug the power cord. Carefully lift off the burner grates and remove all of the burner caps. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, unthread the screws securing the burner heads. Disconnect all of the spark wires from the surface igniters attached to the heads. Now insert a putty knife under the main top to release the retaining clips. Detach the main top and use a 1/4-inch wrench to unthread the screw to release the grounding wire. You can now set the main top aside. Next, remove all of the burner control knobs. Unthread the mounting screws securing the burner valves to the front manifold panel. Open the oven door and remove the screws securing the bottom of the manifold panel. Now remove the screws on top. Set the front manifold panel aside. Using a small flathead screwdriver, depress the tabs to release the spark switches from the valves. Disconnect the incoming power wire connector and detach the outgoing power wire from the spark module. Release the wires from the retaining clip and you can fully remove the old wire harness. Install the new spark switch wire harness by first inserting the wires through the frame. Now align the switches on the burner valves and snap them into place. Attach the outgoing power wire to the appropriate terminal on the spark module and connect the incoming power wire connector. Secure the wires in the retaining clip. Reposition the front manifold panel. Replace the mounting screws on top. Secure the 2 mounting screws on the bottom as well. Align the manifold in the panel and replace the screws to secure the burner valves. Replace the burner control knobs. Before you reinstall the main top, we recommend inserting the spark wires in the orifice holders to secure them. Now set the main top on the frame and secure the grounding wire with the screw. Reposition the right side of the main top first by hooking the rear edge on the mounting tab so the top is seated under the vent. Now position the rear edge on the left mounting tab. Making sure the orifice holders protrude through the holes in the main top, snap the front edge into place. When replacing the burner heads, first connect the spark wires to the surface igniters. Align the heads and rethread the screws to secure. Replace the burner caps and reposition the grates. With the repair completed, plug the power cord back in, and your range should be ready for use. At Repair Clinic, we make fixing things easy. Thank you for supporting the production of these videos by purchasing your parts from our website.